as NRM Electoral Commission nullified Mr. Kafero Roberts' candidature for Nakifuma County. And if he's in Parliament, it is now the other side to explain what to do with him. With us as Electoral Commission, we have nullified this gentleman's candidature. And we are not biased. The facts are ready. If he wants, he can come for them for perusal. That Singh Katongole was not given a national identity card, and therefore, because he's not a citizen, and therefore does not qualify to contest, the respondent is not a Ugandan. Katongole was summoned to reply, and in his reply, he clearly attached his Ugandan national ID and national voters card, which both settles the grounds contained in the petition. The legal opinion, therefore, is that the respondent's nomination and subsequent candidature is confirmed for your...
Njagala kubuulira abantu bange ba Lubaga North okubakakasa ti Katongole Singh mwendi mu race, buli kimu kyetaagisa kubeera mu race nkirina. Abawuza siri muna Uganda, national identity card yange weeri njirina. Nazaalibwa mu mwaka 67 mu Lubaga, n'empapula zonna za musomo nzirina. Njagala kusaba bannange abeesimbyewo ku kifo kino kyekimu baleme kutandika kwonoona bannammwe, mugende wansi munoonye akalulu. Bino bye mukola tricks